This foldable yoga mat uses a 7-panel design that collapses into a compact, easy-to-carry square, so it actually fits in small closets, under beds, or in a work bag for commuting to classes. The textured thermoplastic elastomer surface feels grippy under both hands and feet, which gives noticeably better stability during balance poses, Pilates work, and faster home workouts. Its waterproof construction means sweat does not soak in, and a quick wipe with a damp cloth keeps the mat looking and smelling fresh, even with frequent use. The mat's length and width give enough room for full body flows and floor exercises without feeling like you are hanging off the edges, which is especially helpful for taller users. With cushioning that is about 3/10 of an inch thick, it softens pressure on knees and elbows while still feeling firm enough that you do not sink or lose balance in standing poses. Because it is lightweight and folds flat, it works particularly well as a travel mat for hotel rooms, office breaks, or outdoor stretching sessions where you still want real joint support.